Okay, apologies guys for that video. The previous video was not clear. The quality was very low, so I decided to redo it. And this is question 1 from tutorial sheet 1, MSM 111. Okay, so here the first question is given that u is 0 to -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 as the universal set, and then x is a set of even numbers, y list of prime numbers in U, and Z is -2, 3, 5, 6. Perform the following. So let me just write the questions which they are asking us. So the first question is okay, x union y, and the second question is x intersection y complement. The third question is x intersection y minus z. Then the fourth question is the cardinality of x union y. Okay, x union y, like that. Okay, so we may begin with the solution. Okay, so before anything, let us list the sets, like set x and set y. So if you remember in the previous video, we talked about the methods of listing sets. So if you look at set x and set y, this is the rule method where you're just given the rule. So and set z is an example of the listing method, tabular form. Okay, so we may begin without wasting much of the time. So let us list the sets. So we have set x, which is the set of even numbers. Now, what are even numbers? Any number that can be divided, by 2 without leaving a remainder, and those numbers are going to be gotten from the universal set. So we have -2. By the way, 0 is also an even number. We have 0, we have 2, we have 4, and we have 6. These are the only numbers which can be divided by 2 minus leaving a remainder. Then we have set y, which is equal to okay, so set y is a set of prime numbers. And how do we define prime numbers? Prime numbers are numbers which are greater than 1 and have only two factors, 1 and itself. So in set U, which is the universal, we only have these prime numbers 2, 5, 2, 3, 5, and 7. Okay, and then we have Z, which has been given to us. Okay, so Z has been given to us, which is -2, 3, 5, and 6. Okay, so the first question is uh, uh, okay, so having listed that, we may begin answering the questions. We have x union y. So x union y is just a combination of set x and set y. So we have to combine these two. So we have to note that just because certain elements are also found in both x and y, we don't have to repeat them. So we have x, which is -2, 0, 2, 4, okay, 6, union, okay, union y, which is 2, 3, 5, and 7. Okay, so you have to combine these. So if we combine, so we'll have -2, 0, 2 has to be written once, then 4, okay, 5, 6, and 7. Okay, so this is the answer to this question. This is the answer to this to this question, x union y. Then we will go on the second question, which is x intersection y um, um, open bracket complement. So how do we answer this question? How we'll answer this question, we can first list the universal. So you're going to list the universal, which is equal to negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, and then we'll find x intersection y. We'll find x intersection y. So x intersection y, x intersection y will be equal to and first we will list x which is negative okay we are going to list x first, x which is negative 2, 0, 2, 4, 6. Okay, then you intersect it with y which is 2, 3, 5, 7. Okay, okay, so we have to find what is common here. We have to find what is common between these two guys, and you'll find that x intersection y is equal to 2. Okay, now they said x intersection y complement. Now what is not found, what is uh in the universal excluding what is found in x intersection y? So meaning we will get this universal and remove x intersection y. So x intersection y complement becomes negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1. Okay, then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so this becomes an answer to this question. Alright, okay. So this one is an answer to this question. So we go to the third question, which is 3. Okay, okay. X intersection uh, uh, open bracket y slash z. Okay, so this can be modified. We can rewrite it as x intersection y intersection z complement, or okay, which is also equal to x intersection y minus z. Okay, so like we do it always in mathematics, we begin with dealing with what is in the bracket. So we'll start with what is in the bracket, which is y minus z. So let me find y minus z. So you refer to the previous video, I explained this. Y minus z simply means all the elements which are in z, remove them from set y. So we're going to list set y, which is 2, 3, 5, and 7 here. Okay, then we'll subtract z from y, which is negative 2, 3, 5, and 6 here. Okay, so x minus y, y minus z automatically becomes 2 comma 7, because we have 3 and 5. We also have 3 and 5, so we remove from y, we remove all the elements which are found in z, and we found that it's only 3 and 5, so we remove, and what remains is 2 and 7. Now we are saying x intersection y slash z. So this becomes meaning y minus z intersected with set x. So we are going to list set x, which is negative 2, 0, 2, 4, 6. Okay, 6 intersection 2 comma 7. Okay, 2,7, and you'll find that the answer, meaning what is common between these two, is just 2. It's just 2. So 2 is the answer to this question. And then we come to 4, which is the cardinality. Okay, the cardinality. Cardinality is simply, okay, so this is question 4. The cardinality is simply the number of elements of a set, which is written as n x u y, like this. So they are saying find the cardinality of x union y. So x union y cardinality will just count the number of elements in x union y, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One number is missing. Okay, x union y. Okay. Okay, so we forgot 3 here. We forgot 3. Apologies for that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so we forgot 3. Include 3 here. So the number of elements in X union Y is 8. Is 8, like this. Okay, so this is the answer to these questions, to question 1 of tutorial sheet 1 of MSM 111. Okay.